What is going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat, and these are already looking crusty right now. So basically, guys, we started a bootcamp in partnership with the broker Gbpusd markets. So basically, the bootcamp is all about live trading for the next upcoming 2 weeks to see where we can possibly take the accounts to. And I hope you enjoyed this video and its series because I'm gonna be dropping a video every day up until the last day of the bootcamp. So it's basically 10 days. So I'm gonna drop 9 because the first I'm gonna join them together, the part 1 and part 2. I'm gonna join them together for episode 1. Then gradually as we grow, I'm gonna definitely drop every day so that you guys can see the process of whether we grow the accounts or we grow the accounts, the drawdowns, the wins and whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Much love, peace and happiness. You already know what's going on. Okay. When I started trading back in 2018, I didn't know it's something you needed to learn. I didn't know that you need to be guided by a good and successful Forex trader. The trading industry has actually changed in the past few years. What is going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat, and these are... It is said that trading is simple but not easy. What's going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat, and these are... So we actually are in a boot camp right now. So as I told you about the boot camp, I'm gonna be progressing how it's going.
Okay, taking videos. All right, guys.
So
I need to know firstly.
You already know what's happening. Be here.
We have people that have registered, right?
It's about
but have not funded.
This is day 1 of the boot camp. We haven't placed the trade yet. So yeah. What is going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat, and these are... And welcome again, guys. So hey, I actually woke up today and I had a look at the market. It's definitely looking quite good. It's definitely looking quite good, no complaints. We'll be seeing which trades are we taking today, and we will know which trades we should not to take. We should not take, not should not to take. What am I saying? And then Preeti will be the one joining us. I'm just gonna go through the market, but this session will be with her. So this is just the forecasting of what I'm expecting at 2. This is what I'm expecting at 14 GMT plus 2. So we're just gonna have a run. But how's everybody doing first before I actually even continue? Why am I not asking how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing, guys?
I love it, kicking, bro.
You're great.
Nah, love to hear it, love to hear it, love to hear it. Do we have only 2 people? Yeah. I wanna hear how everybody is. I'm pretty good too. I just can't wait to have a trade running on my account.
Everything is good.
I just can't wait to have a trade running on the account. All right, so let me not waste time and actually can everybody see?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, cool. So basically, let me remove everything so that you guys see how I got to this, right? Let me remove everything. So basically, I had a look at the market in the morning, basically after going through the dollar index. So what I noticed on the dollar index is that the dollar has hit the highest high, and we should be expecting some selling opportunities from it. Especially, let me mark it out. Let me just quickly mark it out. This means we are expecting the dollar to be weak because it has actually reached the highest high. Because if you can look at it right now, the sellers, the buyers are failing, and as the buyers are failing, it gives us sellers more opportunities to actually work on the market. So dropping it on a 4-hour time frame, zooming it out, you can actually see I had an arrow from the top and turning it down. If you remember yesterday, boss lady, she said the Gbpusd will be a sell. It was a sell with 3 candlesticks at that current time, but I knew that price action will confirm the buying opportunities that I was looking for based in confirmation of the dollar index. So in this instance, we now know that the dollar index will be a weak market, right? So as we know right now, we're looking at what's happening right now. The market went up, coming back down, so we know that there'll be continuations from here to there. So this gives me an idea that every pair that's XXX USD, it will be buying, right? It will be buying, and every pair that's USD XXX, it will be selling. Do we have this in our heads? Do you think we got it?
Yeah.
XXX USD, meaning every pair that's a primary pair before USD will be buying the USD. But every pair that USD is a primary pair, the secondary will be the strongest. So let's look at the examples of what I'm talking about. Let's go to XAU USD. XAU USD is gold against the dollar. So basically, if you can look at it, I started on a daily time frame. When I went on a daily time frame, I came to figure out that we have actually reached the lowest low. The lowest low, it being in 2021, we have hit a level where the market hit back then in 2021. Let me just add somebody real quick. Yeah, we hit the market back in 2021, and we hit it again. We hit it in March, we hit it in April, we hit it in August 2021, and now we're hitting it again in July 2022 and also August 2022. So the funny part is, every time it's August, gold always has to hit this target. Every time it's April or March, gold always have to do the same thing. So that should be a concern to think about it, to be like, okay, cool. So if this is happening quite often, this has to be quite of a trading plan that I have towards me trading gold. But we are not there. We actually are just here. So looking at the market structure, dropping on a 4-hour time frame, I actually saw that the market looked in this type of nature, right? And as the market looked in this type of nature, the only high we have right now over here is this one. And if you can look at the overall channel build, the market actually hit a W formation. So I'm looking for prices to buy up until they reach that top. It is possible, and I see it happening, but we need to read price in between in order to understand, is it going to happen right now, or we have some certain movement before the market actually does that. So let's bear in mind, we look left before we look right? So if we look left, we can actually see that there can be a possible repetition of this circle from here to there. Just to make an example. Why? Because I'm looking at how the market is actually reacting right now. So we might have that as well, broken out, respect this area before actually getting our impulses to complete the task of gold being a buy. Alright? But we're looking for an entry. So let's go to an hourly time frame. So I went to an hourly time frame, and what I saw when I got here was that we have this, right? And as we have this, the confusion comes from the market right now has an impulse to the downside, correction sideways, and then might as well drop down again, right? That is why I'm saying, for me right now trading, it will be not okay, because I'm seeing something that doesn't confirm with my analysis. So when I looked left, why did the market turn to this area? Let's highlight it right here. Why did the market turn right there? When you look left, you would realize it's also one of the sensitive area. But now I'm waiting for this. Why? Because we are actually at that, gold actually rejected at that current price right there, right? So already you can see that when the market had a correction here, we had to touch there, touch here, and touch there as well. So already we know this is the strongest level. So that's why I'm saying I'm anticipating buying opportunities, because we are currently at the strong level whereby the market could impulse from here to the top. But we don't just enter the market, we need to confirm first. So the confirmation will come as the market goes. So when I dropped it to a 15-minute time frame looking for an entry, I had to figure out that this was a correction inside a correction. So there's a correction inside a correction. Also here, the market is correcting still. Also here. So it's a correction and a correction. So this possibly could be like the market could move from there to the top. So what I'm seeing, or what I'm sensing, or what I'm getting right now is patience. We need patience, especially when it comes to trading gold. We need to see whether the market would want to break off of this level, drop till there, or the market will just play around. But let's confirm the dollar with other pairs, which is GBPUSD. I was looking at GBPUSD as well. So looking at GBPUSD, I don't think I'll be breaking it down from the top, right? Because why? I had this set up yesterday. Remember yesterday, guys, when Boss Lady was speaking about these sells on these 3 candles, and I said, but either or, I'm seeing a buy on this pair. You remember that?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Exactly. And look, immediately after that happened over here, look how far the market has gone right now. Imagine if we took this trade yesterday. Could have been far, right? So I looked at how many percentage have we gotten already. Let me see, it's 0.84%. With 90, not 97. How many pips is this? Oh, because it's volatile, it's 97. It's 97 pips because GBPUSD is volatile. So I'm seeing this right now. So I think this has to be the first trade we take. But firstly, let me confirm and look left. Let me look left to finish off with my confirmations. And let me see, take profit 1. Now let's put take profit 1 here. And then take profit 2, we can have it somewhere right about here. Let's have the chart very clean. Let's have the chart very clean. All right. Let me see something too. If I put it right here, also put it right here. Nah, it doesn't make sense. So I'll be forcing a channel where it's not even there. I'll be forcing a channel when it's not even there. So let me look left again. Let me remove this for now. Daily channel, daily chart. So also on GBPUSD, we have hit the lowest low, which is the 2020 low. So as we have hit it, we're looking for the market to go and impulse the shot up, down, and crazy impulsively down, up. So you know what, guys? Let's buy GBPUSD right now. Let's buy GBPUSD right now. Let's buy GBPUSD right now. I'm gonna give the lots and I'm gonna give everything. Wait, just wait a second. Just wait a second. GBPUSD. Where's GBPUSD? I can't find GBP. Oh, there it is. GBPUSD. All right. So GBPUSD nature. I'm testing first, guys. Now I want to see what's the lot. That's important. Let me see. 0.02. Buy. I accept. I want to test how volatile it is. 0.02. Okay. So let me see again. 0.02. Okay. 0.02. All right, guys. Let's have if your account is 70, right? Your account is 70. Yes. Let's have let me see before I actually execute and try. Let me look left, see the level that is at right now. If the market is here, and then I need to look left and see what's happening on that level. Is it a level that I need to be concerned with, or it's a level that I can just be very cool and chill with? Let's see. The only time it touched today, it was here. So let me do a bar replay from here. Guys, bear in mind, this is what I do all the time before I enter a trade. I check what could make the trade go wrong. Okay, wait. Let me see. Let's see. All right. So there's nothing that could disturb me besides confirming my analysis. Okay, guys. Put 3 positions on Gbpusd 0.02. 3 positions on Gbpusd 0.02. And then we're about to look at the stop loss and take profit right now. So where will be our best fortunate stop loss? If I put it right there.
What time frame?
Just any time frame. Just place a trade, guys. Placing a trade is not about a time frame. You can check on an hourly time frame, it's fine. You can check on a 15-minute time frame. It does make sense, because check on a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, we actually just had this is an impulse, breakout, a retest, and continuation. So that's what's happening right now. That's what's happening. But let's look at the market, and I'm trying to look for a proper stop loss space, guys. I'm trying to look for a proper stop loss level, because the risk reward ratio. Okay, let's have our stop loss. Let me see. 4 hour. Does it look big too? Okay. So I normally use a charting stop, guys. The reason why I call it a charting stop is because in as much as I like looking which was the previous low in order to set my stop loss, because imagine putting our stop loss over here, over this level over here. We are trapping ourselves because there's a high chance the market can come back here, retest before actually giving us our direction. So that's one thing I always try to avoid all the time. So what I look at the previous low, which is this one right here, because I know the market could just at least play out in this nature. It could just play out like this before actually giving us those buys. So while we are still trapped in that, we could just be capitalizing from that whole thing. Let me just lock this right now and all of that. Stop loss be at stop loss be at 15.14. Take profit 1 be at 17.28. Okay, so stop loss is 1.1514. Our stop loss is 1.1514, and our take profit would be 17.28. That's for take profit 2 will be 1937, but that's just for it's just for, let's see, it actually started selling. Why? I have a lot of things going on here, because look left. If we look right here, you can see we have a double top right there. and the market looks, we have a double top right there, and also here we ascended to the top, so there could be potentials for the market to break here, right, and come back to retest here and go down again. So why? The reason is I'm looking at this level. So this level was also a sensitive area, also this level. So these are the retracement levels. Let me see if I can use a Fibonacci. So it is, because you see it's going to retest at 50, respect 51. It's the same thing. So it is. So let's go on Gbpusd and check the fib retracement. That's our previous high. So we have our take profit at the right place. Actually, we have our take profit at the right place. Yeah, this was a fake out. Huh?
What's TP3?
TP3. It's open.
It's open. Okay.
Yeah. So we have 2. The reason why we only have the 2 is because is to track how the movement is, right? So if the movement is good, that's where we will consider, because remember, the market could generally do this, right? Hit here, come back, just play like that, right? And then go up again, come back, play like that, come back, play like that, and then go up again. So sometimes it could actually turn at the levels we've set and never come back. So TP3 is open because it's one of those trades we're gonna manually close. What's going on, everybody? So we actually just took the first trade of the bootcamp. Actually we took a buy on Gbpusd. It is drawing down hard right now, but let's see how it actually happens. We put proper lots. Let's see how it goes. Actually, here it is. So you can see we have put right there, looking for the market to go to the top. It makes me shiver, but well, let's see how it actually works out. There it is, putting out stop loss and take profit at right places. So let's see how it plays out. Guys, we're actually in a loss right now. So
Why are my
we're trying to see what's gonna happen.
My ladies are not giving me moral support. What do you guys think?
But yeah, so guys, it's like that. Like it's really confusing. Technically it's saying buy, fundamentally it's saying sell, but let's wait and see. If it sells, it sells. This is the market, this is forex. It ain't popping place. It either kills you or you make money. Simple. You know what's going on, everybody. So basically, guys, we're still waiting on those trades to actually kind of work around. What is this? Gbpusd just keeps going back and forth. Take a look at this. So there's it. It's still on the same thing. Like it's just playing around here. Remember in the morning, I was like, I could play at the top and possibly go again. So it's doing the same thing. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's still there. So let's hope it. Let's see what the way the market will be by the end of today. So now I'm out. Quickly going to run some errands. Yeah. Now I'm out. Quickly going to run some errands. So, and again, guys, tomorrow is my son's birthday. So damn. Tomorrow is my son's birthday. So I'm gonna see what I do with my little boy. Well, keep you posted. So you can see, guys, still playing around, but now it wants to buy again. You see, like when I say this pay ain't consistent. Now don't worry, guys, I'm driving a machine, so it's actually driving itself right now. So yeah, you see, we are here, as you can see, from the best broker. Link will be on my description. Just follow it. Let's see for today, where do we close at for today. Let's see for today, where do we close at. Let's see for today, where do we close at? Alright guys, so I'm done with office errands. I get here, I find out that GU is actually doing this. But what I'm seeing right now is that probably it was completing an inverse head and shoulders I'm seeing right here. So hoping it from here it will go to the top. So let's just wait and see if it's going to hit our stop loss or it's going to continue going, it's going to go up. So that's what we're waiting for right now. We are actually on a drawdown, but at least we used proper risk management. So there it is, loss of $37. So let's see how the actual market goes up. As GU hit our stop loss, it hit it in completion of the inverse head and shoulders. Reason was the buys were there for the New York session and the sells came on London. This might be the sales from London session came in to complete our setup. And we might have had an early entry, but trust me, we might be not wrong. And I think it's me and Lebesi who saw this thing. Lebesi also saw the inverse head and shoulders, right? So what we might have done was having an early entry on GU. Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, so I'm thinking, should I wait to see for the next candle? So it will depend where the candle closed. If the candle closes below this, then we can consider this to be a continuation sell. Possibly it wants to come respect here before it actually buys. But beyond that, I'm seeing this going back to the top again. But we'll wait for confirmation and enter the trade. So we're in a drawback right now. We're in a drawdown. It's fine. Losses are part of the game. Hey, but guys, now I'm being tempted. I don't know why. There's a high temptation. I want to enter this trade. Okay, wait. 1 hour. I'm seeing this too. This and that. So what are you saying Usdcad is about to do?
They're about to reject the buy.
Yeah, actually that's what I'm seeing too. So this can be our recovery. Actually, it rejected the buys though, because if I look at it in a thingy, it's a triple top right here. So we have that, this, and that too. So for a low risk management, if you was to take a trade here, let me see how much are we risking. Okay, if you can go back to the top, we can set maybe a sell limit or something like that, so that we open enough space for what is this? If USDCAD is gonna sell, this means GBPUSD is gonna buy. Yeah. So if we can put our sell limit right there, so that we can have enough space for possible, if the market wants to come respect this space. Our profit target could be let me see, from here to here. Why? Because this is a sensitive area over here, or we might want to go to the top to create the double top type formation before actually dropping to this level. So we can either have an entry here or have an entry here. Early entries annoy because of drawdowns. Now late entries, it might not even get there. That's the problem. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing right now on USDCAD. So if USDCAD is gonna be selling, that makes gold buys. So why is gold buys? Because we have broken this level. Let me see something. Go on a 5 minutes time frame. yeah, we have broken, came back to retest, unless it's a fake out. Then yeah, let's the fake out, because so far for me on gold nothing says buy so far.
Really?
Yeah, for me, I don't know for you, but so far nothing says buy gold. You see, that's what I'm saying. It can want to go complete. Remember, Usdcad also can complete that double top. Here we can complete the double bottom before we actually go to the top.
Okay.
Yeah, so those are the possibilities. So I don't know if we can wait for higher confirmations first before we enter. You know, when it's here, we know it's very comfortable to enter the market, but when it's still here, it can either go to the top or go down. But what makes sense is it completing the W formation and then straight to the top. This is what I'm saying. What do you guys say?
Yeah, we've got to see which time frame is this? H1?
Yeah, let me go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, the saddest part of 15 is that it broke out of a very high sensitive area. That's the thing. You see, it broke here, so chances is really are that it will go down until here to complete the whole correction.
The gold mine?
Of the gold?
Yes.
I don't know. I mean, if you were to say that we had a break of the trend line here, it's going to retest and it's going to go down.
Yeah, at end of the day, I love that Ray mentions we have to respect our rules pretty. Remember, after every breakout, there's always a retest and a continuation. So in an hour, it looks like an impulse, but on a 15-minute, it shows the retest it had over here. I'm still saying it can go down till there, and then after it hits here, that's when it will have completed the cells. And Usdcad, now it rejected too. Let me remove this for now.
It's gonna reject. Trust me.
Yeah, there's a lot happening actually in the market right now. You know why, guys, the market is like this as well? It's also the NFP after effect. There's after NFP happens, the market has after effect, whereby it's deciding whether it will choose to respect NFP or it will choose to, you know.
So if it's Mr. YouTube, we are reading your things here. You're still sharing your screen.
Oh my god, sorry. I requested a thumbnail, sorry.
Okay. So meaning that on the Usdcad H1, it's currently rejecting, and I said it exactly like when we got to this meeting, that it's gonna sell, you know, it's gonna reject that buy, and it is rejecting it. So what we normally do in this case, because the fundamental is very volatile, you might want to just trade the H1 candlestick that is active at the moment. We scalp it. So we were late to enter a buy. We could have entered a sell from up there and came down with the rejection. So you see that we could have made the same amount as those that went with it up. So if you lose going up with it, at least make something out of it coming down with it, and it's coming down. And the rejection is always longer, and it always pays more than. Can I please just attend that? But you get it, right, Nadir?
Yep.
So, Andy, can we analyze USD, JPY?
UJ.
Yeah, bro, because it bought. And according to what we saw on Usdcad, yes, it bought.
Where's UJ? Someone changed my things, yes, guys. I don't know who did that. Holy shit. Hey guys, if I can tell you what I actually am in the progress of doing right now, but besides the whole bootcamp thing, I'm actually flipping an account from $5 to 1,000. That's what I'm actually on the process of doing. Let me see. Okay, if it's like this, let me check on a daily. Something is just weird, guys, about the USD pairs. I won't lie to you. Like, it's really confusing. Wait, let me check this. So now.
Okay. While we go there, can we just scalp Usdcad and
Guys, you are making noise. Yeah?
while we are there, while we are about to analyze USDCAD, can we please scalp USDCAD and gold with 0.01 lot size, just 2 positions, 1 position each. Sell USDCAD, stop loss open, take profit open.
Let me see. Wait, you said USDCAD, right?
Yeah,
sell it. Guys, wait a bit. We can't hear you. So it's a scalp. Oh my god. Okay, let's be with Pretty. I'm also taking that so that we can. All right, guys. So Pretty just said we should scalp USDCAD. Let me look at it. I'm opening the same lot as everybody else.
me too. Scalp, sell USDCAD now. TP open, stop loss open.
Is it a scalp?
I'll tell you guys to close. Yeah.
I'm gold. What are we doing on gold?
Buy gold now. TP open.
What lot?
I'm using 0.01.
1 position for gold.
1 position for gold, 1 position for USDCAD.
No, man. You said 2 positions for USDCAD.
2 positions only. 1 for USDCAD, 1 for.
So we had a drawback today, guys. So we are back on USDCAD sell and gold buy. So you can see drawdowns are part of the game, so it is what it is. So
Not working.
let's wait and see what the market is about to do.
Are you all done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, then we can just go to USDJPY and check it out there.
USDJPY.
Yes, and please forgive my noise. My daughter is back from school. I'm just mute most of the time.
It's okay. It's fine.
Thank you.
I'm finna see. You know, me, I scalp different. But we'll see. And then you said, who said UJ? You said UJ, right? Oh, USDJPY. USDJPY also looks like it's gonna sell. Why? It's overbought. Cause look at a weekly time frame. You see what's happening on a weekly? So we have a touch here, we have that touch there, we have this touch over here. So possibly from here, it's straight to the bottom.
I beg to differ, Andile.
Why?
It might break that because of the news that we just had.
News create volatility, not direction.
Okay.
You see how? No, wait. How do you sell USDCAD and wanna buy USDJPY? Pretty. And wait, Pretty. Look. When we look left, look on the monthly chart. We are actually at the top right now.
I'm completely with you. If we look at the study to start looking for selling opportunity online.
Yeah, it's at the top, so we actually need to start looking for selling opportunities. But we will see. She might be right. One thing about the market, guys, hey, it's not your friend, hey. Hey, need finishes me every time.